The tech world is buzzing with anticipation. Samsung is about to unveil its latest flagship smartphone. Get ready for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Mark your calendars for May 13, 2025. This is the day Samsung will launch its newest marvel. The Galaxy S25 Edge promises to be a game-changer. It boasts cutting-edge technology and a sleek design. Samsung is pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. This phone is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. The S25 Edge will be a powerful tool for work and play. Expect lightning-fast processing speeds, enjoy a stunning display, and get ready for a camera that redefines mobile photography. The S25 Edge is more than just a phone, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities. The Galaxy S25 Edge is all about elegance and sophistication. The tagline "Beyond Slim" says it all. This phone is incredibly thin and lightweight. It's designed to fit comfortably in your hand. You'll barely notice it's there. Samsung has achieved this feat without compromising on durability. The S25 Edge is crafted from premium materials. It can withstand the rigors of daily use. This phone is as durable as it is beautiful. The slim design doesn't mean sacrificing functionality. The S25 Edge still packs a punch. It has all the features you'd expect from a flagship phone. This includes a powerful processor, a long-lasting battery, and ample storage space. Samsung knows that mobile photography is paramount. The Galaxy S25 Edge doesn't disappoint. It features an incredible camera system. Prepare to take your photography to the next level. The star of the show is the 200-megapixel main camera. This is the same sensor found in the impressive Galaxy S25 Ultra. Images will be incredibly sharp and detailed. Even in low light, expect stunning results. This camera is a game-changer for mobile photography. The S25 Edge also boasts a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. Capture breathtaking landscapes and group shots. This secondary camera adds versatility to your photography. With the S25 Edge, you'll be ready to capture life's moments in stunning detail. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge will launch in stages. Tech enthusiasts in China and South Korea will be the first to experience its power. The release date for these markets is May 23, 2025. The United States won't have to wait long. The S25 Edge arrives on American shores on May 30, 2025. Pre-orders are expected to begin a week prior. Mark your calendars and get ready to experience the future of mobile technology. The Galaxy S25 Edge is more than just a smartphone. It's the culmination of Samsung's innovation and design prowess. With its ultra-slim profile, powerful camera, and top-of-the-line features, the S25 Edge is poised to be Samsung's slimmest and most sought-after flagship phone yet.